Hi guys, 3D printing. Yeah, a tube. Did a balloon powered car yesterday, and you need a decent nozzle to direct the airflow. I happen to have one, but it occurred to me that if anybody wanted to copy my design, they probably wouldn't be able to find the nozzle that I had. So logically, the easiest way for me to do that would be to 3D print one. So here we are, a 3D printed nozzle for a balloon powered car. We're up to 97% there. It's been running for an hour and a half, but then my printer is slow because I print it on best quality, so it just takes a long time. If you missed the original video, there'll be a link in the video description to the balloon powered car that I built specifically for somebody who wanted an egg carrying balloon powered car. And that's the nozzle that I was using. I think it had a bit more to the end of it, and I think it was one that made a noise. I think it might have been one of those whatever paper things that uncurls when you blow into it. Sort of a kazoo type of noise, but anyway, I think that's where it came from. It would have been quite a while ago, and that works absolutely fine. So this is our new one, 3D printed. It will probably break if you push on it too hard because it's quite thin walls and it won't be particularly strong. But we'll demonstrate that one first, then we'll swap it over and see if there's any difference in the performance. I'm not doing this to try and improve the performance. I'm just doing it so you can 3D print one if you can't find one of them anywhere. I don't actually think we'll see any difference. I hope we don't. I hope they both work equally well. Okay, so this is the original one. That works. And we'll swap it over. Yep, works just as well. See if we can chase it this time. Yep, absolutely fine. So that works. Like I said, there'll be a link in the video description to the build for the car, and I'll also include the link for the 3D printed nozzle. There'll also be a link for the 3D printed hubs as well. in there. This car is cardboard with CDs for wheels, bicycle spokes for axles, drinking straws for the axle tubes, and I've used 3D printed hubs to connect the axles to the wheels. You could use bottle caps, and you could use bamboo barbecue skewers for the axles, but I happen to have a 3D printer, so I've done it this way. And it carries the carries the egg with no trouble at all in there. Put the egg in, tight fit so it doesn't rock around, and a bit of tape on there just to stop it bouncing out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.